Hi, Danielle. So this video is about the second question, which was about like contact trackers and how to log stuff. So first, just know it's kind of up to you. During our like evaluations, each semester, you get evaluated on, just the same way you would in a regular classroom. But the part of it is like based on your contact tracker, and I mean, you can do it how you want to do it, but your totals will go into your evaluation. I've never had a problem. I've never had them say I didn't contact students enough. So I'm sure you're going to be contacting enough. The whole like, how many is that is really tricky, and I don't actually know the answer. I know what I do, so I'll tell you what I do. Um, and then you can decide how you want to do it. So, for example, this student today contacted me because they needed another attempt on a checkpoint. They had already done 3 attempts and they wanted another one. So I allow that as long as they contact me, and then I usually like send them a help video first, and then they could do another attempt. So I wrote my reason here, and then they messaged me and I messaged them back. So I counted that as two, and then I said that was two ways. I don't know if that's right or not. I don't know. But so like if somebody messages me and I message them back, I count that as two. And like say somebody if I send someone a text and they don't message me back, I count that as one. So I think like that's why I write two if they message me and I message them back. Because if just me sending them is one, then them sending back has to be two. I think. But honestly, I don't really know, and I don't know that it matters all that much. What matters more is like that you recorded what you talked about. Sometimes, like I'll have a text chain with a student that's like, they text, I text, they text, I text like 10 times, and I can record that as like 10 texts. And for two ways, I put 10. I don't know. Again, if that is what I do or if like or not, or if that's correct. I should probably ask at some point, but no one's ever asked me about it on my contact tracker. So I wouldn't worry too much about like the numbers and making sure that you have all that correct. More just that you are logging things, and I usually try to log it right away. So like so this kid messaged me, I made him a quick video, sent it back, and as soon as I hit send on something, I just automatically now go pull up my contact tracker and write it in. Otherwise I forget, and then I didn't get that logged, and then later I won't remember that I gave him another attempt, or whatever conversation I had with the kid. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm trying to see if there was any other question that you had. Yeah, so I would log this. See, I would have probably logged this as 4 because there was 4 messages, but again, that's not the end of the world. Oops. I think that you could just probably do whatever you want. Also, the other thing I do, I don't know if I can. Whenever I'm recording, this thing's in the way and I can't scroll over, but I hide. So like week 1's done, so I hide the week 1 columns. That's just my personal preference, so that it's not like really hard to get over to week 2. So that's something you can do. So like when week 2 is done, I would just hide all of these. So then my first thing that comes up is week 3. So something to think about on your tracker. Yeah, let me know if you have any other questions.